up, folks? My name is Enrique. I'm here at Dean's Stove and Spot. Making a few pizzas today in these Clementi Pizza Ovens. I like it at around 600, 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Spreading a little bit of flour so my dough doesn't stick to the board here. Gonna make a couple pies today. One cheese, one pepperoni. These Clementi ovens are exceptional when it comes to making pizzas. Cook a pizza in 90 seconds, tops. Getting ready to throw the first one in. Pizzas are ready, like I said, 90 seconds or less. Getting ready to cut the final product here. Have some pizza. That's a good pizza. We have something for everybody. Come and check us out.